Hi, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video is for students. I'll be showing you how to join your teacher's class if you already have an Ellii account. If you are a new student looking to sign up for the first time, this video is not for you. Please look for the video called How to Sign Up as a Student via email or using a class code. So without further ado, let's get started. First, go to ellii.com/students. Once on this page, click Login. Enter your email or username and your password, and click the blue Login button. If you do not remember your password, click the Forgot Password button right beneath Login. This will send a password reset link to your email. If you do not receive the link, check your junk folder, and if you need any additional help, you can send us an email or give us a call. Once logged in, click Join a Class in the top right corner. Here, enter the class code your teacher gave to you. Click Join, and then you'll see a message above that says you're in your teacher's class. Click Go to Classes to bring you to your student dashboard where you can see all the classes you're in. Click on any class to begin working on the lessons assigned. That's it for this video on how to join your teacher's class if you already have an Ellii account. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy learning!
Ellii.